Welcome to TAFTC and welcome to Teamie. Teamie is like an online classroom where you can carry out your learning in the comfort of your own home. You'll be able to look through the course content, you'll be able to do some quizzes for practice, and when you come to class the couple of days after, you can bring your knowledge and even ask questions to the trainer about what you learned. So let's get you started. To get you started, you'll want to look in your email for your login details. You should look through the email that you use to enroll for the course or the program that you're currently in. So in this email, you'll actually be able to see a link that will send you into a website, and this website will prompt you to reset your password. So go ahead and click that and do the necessary password changes. Once you've got that done, you can access your Teamie on your computer. So just go open a new window, and you'll want to go to taftc.theteamie.com. That's taftc.theteamie.com. Now from here, you can just put in your login details. And there you go. At TAFTC, we recommend that you use Google Chrome just because it helps you navigate the page a little better and a little more smoothly.